intermediate IPE second year physics, some short answer questions, షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్ కొన్ని ఎంసెట్ కూడా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది ఇది చెప్తున్నాను. సో డిఫైన్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఇంక్లినేషన్ ఆర్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ డిప్ అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ అని అడుగుతారు. దీనికి మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఇంక్లినేషన్ అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ద యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ ద ఎర్త్స్ ఫీల్డ్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ హారిజాంటల్ లైన్ ఇన్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ మెరిడియన్ ఎట్ ఏ గివెన్ ప్లేస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఇంక్లినేషన్ అని చెప్పి చెప్తారు. సో డిఫైన్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ డిక్లినేషన్. Magnetic declination means it is the angle between the geographical meridian and the magnetic meridian at a given place is called magnetic declination. Define magnetic susceptibility. Mention its units. Magnetic susceptibility means it is a property of a material which indicates the degree of magnetization of a material in response to an applied external magnetic field is called magnetic susceptibility. Psi antam danni. So it is the ratio of magnetization I and the magnetic intensity H. Psi is equals to I by H. Magnetic susceptibility has no units. So what happens to compass needles at the Earth's pole? At Earth's pole, a compass needle will not show any particular direction in a horizontal plane, but a dip needle stands vertically down at the North Pole and up at the South Pole. And magnetic lines form continuous closed loops. Why? The magnetic poles North N and South S always exist in pairs, So the magnetic field lines of a magnet or solenoid form continuous closed loops. So what is the magnetic moment associated with a solenoid? Magnetic moment of a solenoid is capital M is equal to capital N into I into A. So NIA, M is equal to N into I into A, where N is the number of turns, I is the current, and A is the area of cross section. Classify the following materials with regard to magnetism: manganese, cobalt, nickel, bismuth, oxygen, copper. So paramagnetic substances are manganese and oxygen. Diamagnetic substances are bismuth and copper. Ferromagnetic substances are cobalt and nickel. And here, what are the SI units of magnetic moment, magnetic induction, and magnetic field? So SI unit of magnetic moment M is ampere meter square. SI unit of magnetic induction capital B is Tesla or capital T. SI unit of magnetic field strength H, capital H is ampere meter inverse. Next, alternating current. This is chapter 2 marks will come. What is the phenomenon involved in the working of a transformer? So mutual induction is involved in the working of a transformer. And what type of transformer is used in 6 volts bed lamp? Step down transformer is used in a 6 volt bed lamp. What is a transformer? A ratio. So transformer ratio means it is a ratio between the number of turns of the secondary coil and the number of turns in the primary coil of a transformer. And the transformer ratio is given by capital NS by capital NP is equals to Vs by Vp. NS means number of turns in the secondary coil. NP means number of turns in the primary coil. Vs means voltage in the secondary coil, and Vp means voltage in the primary coil. And here write the expression for the reactance of an inductor, also an a capacitor. A capacitor. Here reactance of an inductor XL is equals to omega into L. Here omega is angular frequency and L is inductance. Reactance of a capacitor XC is equals to 1 by omega C. Here omega is angular frequency and C equal to capacitance. And what is the phase difference between alternating current EMF and alternating current AC current in the following? AC EMF and AC current. Pure resistor, pure inductor, and pure capacitor. For pure resistor, the phase difference between AC voltage and AC current is 0. For pure inductor, current lags behind the voltage by pi by 2. For pure capacitor, the current leads ahead the voltage by pi by 2. So what is meant by wattless component of current? Wattless current means it is in a purely inductive or capacitive circuit, the power consumption becomes 0. Power factor cos pi is equals to 0. Thus, no power is consumed even though current flows in the circuit. In such cases, the current is called wattless current. So that's all. Thank you very much. And this is the physics short answer questions. 2 marks questions. It will be asked in the IPE, that is IPE intermediate public examination. 2 marks questions. Very short answer questions ఇవి. తర్వాత మళ్ళొక వీడియో తోటి మళ్ళీ కలుస్తాను. మై నేమ్ ఇస్ దహగన్ నరేష్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.